Insulin. People with type 1 diabetes need daily shots of insulin to be able to function normally. Even people with type 2 diabetes will gradually need insulin shots as well to effectively manage their glucose levels. There are more than 20 kinds of insulin products sold in the market today, and it's best to consult your doctor as to which would be most suitable to your situation. Prescription is rarely required, but you definitely need one if you wish to charge insulin costs to your insurance company. Insulin test strips. These are used in conjunction with diabetic testing meters, so make sure you take into consideration the diabetic testing meter you're using and whether your insulin test strips would work well with it. Insulin syringes. These are specially designed hypodermic needles for insulin use. Needle size and thickness will vary depending on the user's insulin needs. It's important to take note of the recommended needle size, as the wrong choice could lead to painful injection and medical complications. Consider buying only insulin syringes from well-known brands, as these are durable and won't easily break when being used. Insulin pumps. These are connected to your body by inserting a flexible tube to the skin of your abdomen. The tube is attached to a catheter from which insulin will be dispensed. Proper placement and positioning of the insulin pump will allow you to closely control the flow of insulin into your body to maintain ideal insulin levels. Insulin pumps have to be programmed so that they provide you with the right dosage at the right time. Doctors discourage its use during physically strenuous activities. Jet injectors. People with fear of needles may instead use jet injectors to take insulin shots daily. Jet injectors use high-pressure air instead of needles and spray insulin into the user's skin. Diabetic testing meters. As mentioned earlier on, glucose or blood sugar levels of diabetics must always be monitored. By availing your own set of diabetic testing meter, you can now find out your blood count even without visiting your doctor. Portable kits will also allow you to test yourself not only at home but also when you're traveling. Glucose control solutions. These are complementary solutions to ensure that devices like insulin test strips and diabetes testing meters are in good working order. As there are different types of glucose control solutions available in the market, consult your doctor to determine the best match for your testing instruments. Make sure you keep sufficient supply of them. Alcohol swabs. Organizations like the American Diabetes Services have acknowledged the critical importance of having a ready supply of alcohol swabs available for diabetics. Alcohol swabs make sure that injection sites in your body are clean and sterilized. Without them, your diabetic loved one runs the risk of contracting infection due to lingering bacteria or virus. They are especially helpful when traveling and you're exposed to toxins found in the environment. Erection vacuum therapy. Sometimes, diabetes can also affect your sexual activity. In such cases, undergoing erection vacuum therapy is a safe way of avoiding diabetic impotence. Glucose tablets. Certain instances cause diabetics to suffer from alarmingly low blood sugar levels. In these cases, having glucose tablets handy can ensure that you increase your glucose content immediately, safely, and accurately. Excessive increase is, after all, just as dangerous as extremely low glucose levels. Injection supply startup kit. Lastly, these kits generally come with free syringes and vial adapters. Always look for kits with the largest number of compartments of varying sizes so that you can keep all your insulin vials and other supplies in place. Kits must be made of durable material and able to protect its contents,